Picture this, you're finally stepping onto your cruise ship, ready for the adventure of a lifetime. But suddenly you realize you've forgotten something crucial or missed an important step in your planning. It's amazing how just one overlooked detail can turn your dream cruise into a floating disaster. That's why it's so important to be prepared from the very start. Don't let a simple mistake ruin your vacation. Now, whether you're a first-time cruiser or you've sailed the seas a dozen times, having a thorough checklist is absolutely essential. Think of it as your roadmap to a smooth, stress-free vacation. With the right plan, you can avoid last-minute scrambles and truly relax from the moment you arrive at the port. But here's the thing, so many cruisers believe they're ready, only to discover they've missed a small but critical detail. This can lead to a ruined first day, unexpected expenses, or unnecessary stress. Transitioning from planning to packing, it's the little things that make the biggest difference. That's why, in this video, I'll guide you step by step through the ultimate cruise planning checklist. We'll cover everything, from what to pack and when to start preparing, to the hidden mistakes even seasoned travelers make. This isn't just about remembering your socks and swimwear, it's about making sure you're fully prepared before you even set foot on the ship. I'm for Ever Diverse Journeys, and my mission is to help cruisers like you travel smarter, stress less, and make every moment on board truly unforgettable. So, let's dive in together and ensure you're 100% cruise ready before you sail away. And don't forget, click the link in the description below for your ultimate cruise planning checklist. See links in the description below for travel protection. Let's start with what's most important, your documents. Having the right paperwork is the foundation of a stress-free cruise. Before you even think about packing your swimsuit or sunscreen, double check that you have all the essential documents ready to go. First up, make sure you have a valid passport that won't expire for at least 6 months after your cruise ends. This is crucial for international sailings, and some destinations require that extra validity. Next, don't forget a government-issued photo ID, like a driver's license. This is especially important for domestic cruises or if you need an extra form of identification. After that, gather your cruise boarding passes. It's best to have both printed copies and digital versions saved on your phone, just in case you need a backup. Moving on, print out your luggage tags ahead of time. Trust me, you don't want to be scrambling at the port. Attach them to your bags before you leave home. Then, make sure you have your flight and hotel confirmations for any pre- or post-cruise stays. Also, keep your travel insurance documentation handy, as you may need it in an emergency. Don't overlook an emergency contact list. Write down important phone numbers and keep them with your documents, just in case your phone isn't accessible. To keep everything organized and protected, store your documents in a waterproof travel folder. Place this folder in your carry-on bag for easy access. That way, you'll have all your essential paperwork with you at all times. Safe, secure, and ready for smooth sailing. Now let's talk packing, because what you bring can make or break your cruise experience. First, focus on your daytime essentials. Pack comfortable, casual day wear like t-shirts, tank tops, shorts, and sundresses. These will keep you cool and relaxed as you explore the ship or lounge by the pool. Once you've got your daytime outfit sorted, let's move on to evenings. You'll want 2 to 3 evening outfits. Think smart casual for most nights, and don't forget at least one formal night outfit for those special dinners or events. Now let's talk about swimwear. Pack 2 or 3 swimsuits so you always have a dry one ready. With pools, hot tubs and beach stops, you'll be glad you did. For time off the ship, you'll need a few extras. Bring a beach cover-up, flip-flops for lounging, and water shoes for excursions or rocky beaches. These small items make a big difference. Even if you're headed somewhere warm, don't overlook layers. A sweater or light jacket is a must. Ships can get chilly, especially in the evenings or in air-conditioned areas, even in the Caribbean. And for exploring ports, comfort is key. Don't forget comfy walking shoes for port days and excursions. Your feet will thank you after a day of sightseeing. Finally, let's talk about avoiding the most common packing mistake. Trust me, overpacking is real. Lay everything out before you pack, then cut it in half. You'll have more space for souvenirs and less to lug around. When you step into your cruise cabin, you might notice that the toiletries provided are pretty basic. Definitely not what you'd expect from a luxury vacation. That's why it's smart to pack your own essentials. Start with the basics: toothbrush, toothpaste, shampoo and conditioner. These will keep you feeling fresh throughout your trip. Next, let's talk about sun protection. Don't forget sunscreen, especially reef safe if you plan on snorkeling or swimming in the ocean. Protecting your skin is a must under the tropical sun. Moving on to skincare and daily routines. Bring your favorite face wash, moisturizer, deodorant, and any makeup you use. Having your own products will help you stick to your routine and feel your best. For shaving and minor emergencies, be prepared. Pack a razor, shaving cream, and a small first aid kit. These items are easy to forget, but can make a big difference if you need them. And don't overlook the little things. Feminine hygiene products, nail clippers, and tweezers are all essentials that are often overpriced or hard to find on board. Speaking of prices, here's a crucial tip. Port shops and cruise ship stores are notoriously expensive for toiletries and personal care items. For example, just look at sunscreen prices. You definitely don't want to pay $18 for a bottle of sunscreen. So plan ahead and pack everything you'll need before you set sail. When it comes to cruising, your health should always come first. So let's start with the essentials. Don't forget your medications. Seriously, it's super important to have everything you need. First up, make sure you pack all your prescription medications and bring a little extra just in case your trip gets extended or there are unexpected delays. It's always better to have more than you think you'll need. Now, let's talk about staying comfortable on board. Motion sickness can sneak up on anyone, so pack your favorite remedies. Whether it's Dramamine, Sea-Bands or patches, bring whatever works best for you. This way, you'll be ready for any choppy seas. Moving on, let's cover the basics you might need for minor aches and pains. Be sure to include over-the-counter essentials like pain relievers, antacids, and allergy pills, plus any other just-in-case items you rely on at home. A small first aid kit can be a lifesaver. And don't forget about staying healthy while exploring ports. Pack hand sanitizer and insect repellent for those port days. These simple items can help you avoid unwanted germs and pesky bites while you're out and about. Finally, let's wrap it all up. Honestly, it's always better to be over-prepared than to find yourself stuck at sea with a headache or feeling unwell. With these health must-haves, you'll be ready for anything your cruise throws your way. Let's talk about staying connected and powered up while you're at sea. First things first, make sure you pack your smartphone and its charger. These are your lifelines for communication, taking photos, and keeping track of your itinerary. Next, don't forget a portable power bank. With long days, exploring ports or lounging on deck, having backup power means you'll never miss a moment or run out of battery when you need it most. Moving on, a non-surge power strip is essential. Cruise ship cabins often have limited outlets, and most ships only allow non-surge models for safety reasons. This way, you can charge multiple devices at once without any hassle. While you're at it, pack a good pair of headphones for music or podcasts, and a camera if you want to capture high-quality memories beyond your phone. If you're planning to hit the pool or go on water excursions, A waterproof phone pouch is a smart addition. It'll keep your device safe from splashes and unexpected dips. For those relaxing moments, consider bringing an e-reader or tablet. They're perfect for catching up on books or streaming shows during downtime. And finally, don't overlook a small travel alarm clock. Most cruise cabins don't provide one, and it's handy for making sure you're up in time for excursions or early breakfasts. With these electronics in your bag, you'll be ready for anything your cruise adventure throws your way. As you begin your cruise adventure, remember that on embarkation day, you'll be separated from your main luggage for several hours. To make your first day smooth, start by packing a carry-on day bag with your passport, cruise documents, and any essential medications. These are the absolute must-haves you'll need access to right away. Next, think about comfort and convenience. Add a change of clothes and your swimsuit to your bag. This way, you can hit the pool or relax without waiting for your luggage to arrive. Moving on, don't forget your sunscreen, sunglasses, and phone charger. These essentials will help you stay protected from the sun and keep your devices powered up as you explore the ship. In addition, it's a good idea to toss in a refillable water bottle and a light snack. Staying hydrated and having something to nibble on can make a big difference while you wait for your cabin to be ready. Finally, consider any personal must-have items you can't go without for about 6 hours. Think comfort items, entertainment, or anything else that will help you settle in. Here's a little 𝗓𝗄𝗏 journeys tip. This is the bag that gets you through check-in and lets you start your vacation immediately, so pack thoughtfully and enjoy every moment from the very start. Planning port days? Let's make sure you're set up for a smooth adventure ashore. To start, get organized the night before by packing your bag and gathering all your travel documents. This way, you won't be scrambling in the morning. Next, make sure to print or screenshot your excursion confirmations. Having both digital and paper copies means you're covered, even if your phone battery dies or you lose internet access. After that, remember to bring cash in small bills for tipping guides and shopping at local markets. Many places won't accept cards, so this is a lifesaver. Moving on, pack a waterproof day bag with your essentials. Think sunscreen, water, and a change of clothes. This keeps your belongings safe and dry, no matter what activities you have planned. Just as important, always carry a copy of the ship's contact info and port agent details. Take a photo or keep a card in your bag so you can reach help if you need it. Now, let's talk footwear. Choose the right shoes for your excursion, whether it's hiking boots, sandals for snorkeling, or comfy sneakers for exploring town. The right pair can make or break your day. And finally, keep in mind that some ports have spotty cell service. Don't rely solely on your phone. Download maps ahead of time or bring a paper map just in case. With these tips, you'll be ready to enjoy every moment ashore like a true pro. Let's break down your pre-cruise to-do list with a simple timeline so you can stay organized and stress-free every step of the way. Starting about 30 days before your cruise, it's time to secure those must-do experiences. Book your shore excursions and reserve specialty dining options before they fill up. Next, while you're still a month out, don't forget to notify your bank about your travel plans. Set up travel alerts to avoid any issues with your cards while you're away. After that, download your cruise line's app. This handy tool will help you check in, view daily schedules, and stay updated throughout your trip. And if you haven't already, now's the perfect moment to purchase travel insurance for peace of mind during your journey. Fast forward to about 7 days before departure. This is when you'll want to start packing your suitcase, making sure you have all your cruise essentials ready to go. At the same time, print out your boarding passes and luggage tags so you're not scrambling at the last minute. While you're at it, confirm your airport transfers or double check your hotel reservations if you're staying overnight before embarkation. Don't overlook your health. Refill any necessary prescriptions and pack them in your carry-on for easy access. The night before your cruise, make sure all your devices, phones, tablets, cameras, are fully charged so you're ready to capture every moment. Lay out your embarkation day outfit and set multiple alarms to ensure you wake up on time and start your adventure smoothly. Finally, get a good night's sleep. Tomorrow marks the beginning of your unforgettable cruise adventure. Sadly, all cruises must come to an end, but with a little preparation, your disembarkation can be stress-free. First, start by packing your belongings the night before. Make sure everything is organized and ready to go so you're not rushed in the morning. Next, double-check every corner of your cabin, including under the bed, inside closets, drawers and shelves, to ensure you haven't left anything behind. Once your bags are packed, head to guest services to settle any outstanding charges or review your final bill. This will help you avoid any last-minute surprises. After that, if your cruise requires it, take a moment to fill out any necessary customs forms or paperwork. Having these ready will speed up the process when you leave the ship. Before you go, don't forget to leave a tip and perhaps a thank you note for your room steward to show your appreciation for their service. Finally, keep your passport, travel documents, and essential items easily accessible. With everything in hand, you'll breeze through disembarkation and be ready for your next adventure. Ready to take your cruise experience to the next level? Here are a few extra nuggets for seasoned travelers and first-timers alike. First up, use magnets. Since most cruise cabin walls are metal, magnets are perfect for hanging daily planners, important notes, or even your shore excursion tickets. This keeps your space organized and clutter-free. Next, let's talk about money management. Set a daily budget for onboard spending. Cruises are full of tempting extras, so planning your expenses ahead of time helps you avoid surprises at the end of your trip. Moving on, connecting with fellow cruisers can make your journey even more enjoyable. Join a cruise roll call or Facebook group before you're sailing. These online communities are great for sharing tips, meeting new friends, and even organizing group activities or excursions. And finally, let's talk about entertainment. Download your favorite shows, movies, or music onto your devices before you board. Having entertainment ready means you'll never be bored, even during downtime. Because, let's face it, Wi-Fi on cruise ships can be slow and expensive. Planning ahead ensures you stay entertained without breaking the bank. And there you have it, the ultimate cruise checklist designed to make your next voyage as smooth and stress-free as possible. With these tips in hand, you're ready to pack smarter, plan better, and truly enjoy every moment at sea. Now, before you set sail, let's make sure you don't miss out on more helpful travel advice. If you found this guide helpful, please take a second to hit that like button. It really helps our channel grow and reach more fellow travelers. And while you're at it, why not stay connected for future adventures? Subscribe to our channel and share this video with your travel buddies so everyone can cruise like a pro. We love hearing from you, so let's keep the conversation going. Drop a comment below and tell us, what's the one thing you'll never cruise without? Your tips might inspire someone else. As we wrap up, let's take a moment to look forward to your next adventure. Thanks for sailing with 4 ever diverse journeys, your passport to unforgettable adventures on the high seas. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep making memories. See you in the next video.